we all kind of come together and we're trying to build these centers for Trustworthy AI to make sure that we look at Trustworthy AI as the intersection of legal standards and strategic engineering and also human ethical value that is so important for us as well. And because, normally we just think about Trustworthy AI as, providing ethical good responses, which of course it is part of it. But it's also within our responsibility to use our resources wisely.
Right.
So to give you an example, recently I've been working with an organization who launched, an agent, and they did not follow Trustworthy AI principles. Right now, they wanted to do it in phase 2.
Yeah.
And the moment this agent went live, it spiked in huge ACR, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So it is money as well for the organization.
Yeah, and I think you have a demo to show us, right?
Absolutely. Let's have a look at how this works.
Go ahead.
So Centru.ai starts with a overall AI maturity focus. We want to look at where we are, and based on where we are, we're gonna set up an aspiration, and that this isn't just like a vision thing; it's also a tangible outcomes sort of roadmap.
Yes.
But we recognize that once you do this work, you also need to publish your agents. So the second part of the product actually deals with the workload, and we're looking at AI risks and mitigations. That can be all sorts of things from jailbreaks, which we know, cross-prompt injection and stuff like that. But here I'm showing you a much less interesting one, which is data groundedness. So for that, we need to make sure not only that we provide the right response and that our agent knows how to use its system messages and turn it down gently when you ask the wrong question. But we also need to use things like Foundry to make sure that our data really is grounded, and monitoring of our consumption, which will prevent us from spiking this massive ACR, values. That's why it's a very important tool for us within the Center for Trustworthy AI.
Right. And the reason I love talking to you right now is because I'm looking into your eyes and I can see how much passion you have, which is so powerful because you're doing meaningful work, but I can also tell that it's very human-centered work. And in this era of AI that we're in, it is important to keep the humanness. So thank you for the work that you're doing with the Center at Trustworthy AI. Please tell us what homework that you have for the audience watching right now.
Thank you. It really is. I mean, it really neatly goes into the fact that I would like everybody to look at their job right now and see how can they challenge themselves to use Trustworthy AI more within their day-to-day work. And then I would like for all of us to try and be good Trustworthy AI citizens, and our organization to be a Trustworthy AI organization. So for that, we're actually inviting you all to an event. It's called the Virtual Forum. It's a gathering of the top executives and decision makers within the AI space who come together to learn and to work on building, legal standards with high quality strategic engineering and of course human ethical values. You can find out more about this at aka.ms/PAI. And I really hope you join us. If that's you, join us.
Thank you so much, Anna, for joining us today. And thank you all for tuning in. And I hope you go to the brush off. Take care.
Thank you.